Hey, what's up everybody? How's everybody doing today? Today I'm going to be working on the Chevy truck here. I got my 98 out. The wipers stopped working the other day and it kind of sucked because it was raining really bad. So I'm going to be repairing the wiper blades here today. But, well, not the wiper blade, sorry. The wiper itself is not working. It's not the motor. It's like this little board. I'll show you right now. It's like a little clip or like a little chipboard. Alright, so it's going to be back here in this little box. I looked it up and it says that this is a common problem. This is like almost like a recall for the Chevy trucks, the Suburbans, Tahoes. So if you have a Chevy Suburban, Tahoe, Chevy truck and your wipers are not working, I would give this a try first. It's a really easy fix, probably about 15 or 20 bucks. I found it I think on like Amazon or something. So I just went and busted out the tools. You're going to need a T20 Torx head to take that off because it's not just a regular screwdriver or like a regular screw, you know. One thing you will want to do is take off this plug here. Just take off that plug. It's very simple. Squeeze the little tab on the top and just pull it right out. And see, I got my T20 here. I'm going to take off that cover and then that'll show me the little board there and I'll go from there. So there it is. It's like a little chipboard. Like I said, you just want to pull that right out. It comes straight out. This one is giving me a little bit of trouble, so I had to apply a little bit of force. I didn't want to break anything, but it's pretty easy to take out. See, look. I got it loosened up right now. Just going to pull it out real quick. Here's the new one. I'll do a quick comparison. Looks the same. No differences. That little white box in the back looks a little bit different, a little bit bigger, but it should line up just right. Quick comparison before I even go a little further with it. I just want to make sure they're the same, you know. Before you go and try taking everything apart, it doesn't even work. But yeah, it looks the same. Looks like it'll line up just right. So this one had some kind of like dielectric grease on it. So I'm just going to transfer that to the new one. I know it's probably not doing anything, but I'm just going to put a little bit here on top. Just like the way the other one had it. So it's installed right now. I got it sitting in place. This is the old one that just came out. So check it out, guys. It was very simple, very easy. You could do this at home. You don't have to go and pay nobody. Like I said, if your wipers aren't working, but you know your motor's still good, I would try this out first before anything else, before you go and pay somebody to work on it or look at it. Because like I said, this took me probably about maybe 5-10 minutes. Very simple, easy to fix. Just gonna tighten these down real quick. So all 320 Torx head screws are tightened down. Now I'm just snapping in the plug again, putting that right back, and we should be good to go. Make sure to always clean up your tools, keep everything organized. Alright, so let's hop in the truck and see what it do. Make sure it works. I kind of messed up. I should have showed that they weren't working when I first started, but I kind of skipped that step. But just trust me, they weren't working. It was raining like crazy one day and I had to drive home in the rain, and it sucked. But check it out now. They're working. They're good to go. I'm happy. I'll be safe. Alright everybody, so like I said, if you have this problem with your Chevy truck or Suburban, I would try this out first. But that's probably going to be it for this quick little video, guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure to hit that like button. Make sure to comment down below. Subscribe. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace out, guys.